Congratulations! You've just elevated your craft by choosing the GROOVE-90 portable drywall milling machine, a compact powerhouse that brings commercial milling capabilities to any job site. It's the ideal tool for residential projects and fills the gaps for larger prefabricated jobs on commercial sites. Unlike traditional milling tables, the GROOVE-90 is designed for flexible use on drywall lifts, sawhorses, or other surfaces. With this handheld beauty, you can create everything from perfect drywall corners and joints to serpentine walls, curved edges, and even columns. Lightweight yet versatile, the GROOVE-90 starter kit weighs in at just under 28 pounds. The GROOVE-90 starter kit includes all the essentials: 2 guide rails, one 5-foot and one 7-foot, with a connector to extend up to 12 feet. GROOVE-90 motor unit adjusts but is preset to a 5/8-inch cutting depth for precision cuts. Single blade attachment for straight cuts. Four blade attachment for creating curves and columns. "90-degree drywall cutter, perfect for crisp 90-degree angles. Positioning guides for precise placement. Tools: Allen wrenches and star keys. Vacuum hose connector for dust control. Storage case to keep everything organized and ready for transport. Guide rails transport separately." For expanded capability, Ames offers the Pro Kit add-on, providing all the components needed to build drywall profiles. The Pro Kit includes one high-heat hot glue gun, one 25-pound box of high-heat, commercial-grade glue sticks, a Bosch 14-gallon HEPA filter vacuum for efficient dust control and debris collection. Before you begin any change of blade, always make certain that the tool is unplugged and you are wearing safety glasses. GROOVE-90 comes with the 90-degree milling cutter, pre-installed and ready for immediate use. To change the blade or cutter, follow these steps. Depress the silver button on the handle until you hear a click. Lift the red latch to release the blade guard, exposing the cutter. Use the provided wrench to loosen the center screw by turning counterclockwise, then carefully remove the blade. To install a new blade, align it as shown, with the writing on the blade facing out. Reinsert the arbor washer and screw, and tighten with the wrench. Close the blade cover, then push the red latch down to secure the blade guard. For the 4-blade attachment, repeat the same process. Note: the 4-blade attachment has a built-in arbor, so the washer isn't needed. Be sure to save the arbor pieces, as you will need them when changing blades or cutters in the future. Setting up the guide rails is a simple process. To extend the rail to 12 feet, use the connector provided. Remove the plastic caps from both guide rails. Slide the connector into the top track on each rail. Push the rails together and tighten the screws to prevent movement. Slide the GROOVE-90 along the guide rail track to confirm proper engagement. Then, attach the vacuum hose adapter. For accurate cuts, use the positioning guides to place the rail precisely. Mark your measurements, align the guides, and ensure the rail is positioned at the edge of your markings. Connect the vacuum. You are now ready to make a cut. When finished, all components pack neatly into the carrying case, keeping everything organized and ready for transport. For more information about the GROOVE-90, please visit shopamestools.com/GROOVE-90.